How's it going, everyone? It's Nathan from Nathan's DIY Garage, and today I'm going to show you how to remove the license plate lights from your BMW E60. Okay, so today we have the Copart E60, and we're going to start doing videos on this car, and there's a lot of videos to do. We don't have any videos out for this particular model really at all, so we'll go back and do a lot of the videos we did for the E39. A lot of the simple things that most people don't know. Now, the license plate lights are right here. Make sure you can see that. You can't see that. Okay, so they're right here, and how these work, there's no screw holding these in, right? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna take a straight screwdriver, not a very big one, just a fairly small one. There's a little slot. We're gonna stick this in here, and we're gonna push the whole light towards the emblem. Now when we do the passenger side one, we're going to push that one towards the passenger side of the car. So no matter what, these get slid to the right. So we'll stick it in there, slide it over. You're going to see it move just a little bit, and then it's going to come out just like that. Kind of. There we go. Alright, so once we've done that, we'll go and slip it out of there. And just like so. And you can see this bulb is not burnt, but it looks like hell. The wire's still intact in it. When they get silver, like silver on the inside, you need to replace them. So just to recap one more time, I'm going to put this back. Okay, so reinstall it, push it towards the passenger side of the car. It'll come down, we'll slide it back out, and it comes out just like so. And to put it back in, you want to hook this side in first, back up in there like that, push it back up in there, you're going to slide it over to the passenger side of the car. Hopefully you can see that, I hope you understand that, and that, my friends, is how you remove the license plate lights in your BMW E60.